Hi folks, I'm here to teach you how to use the hand press. The hand press is just a simple tool that's used to compress component parts together like rivets, snaps, eyelets, grommets, to attach them to fabric. Every hand press comes with dies. So there'll be different dies for different size snaps, different size grommets, all of that. You'll need a special set of dies for each of them. Whatever it is, you can ask your supplier where you're getting your hardware for the correct dies for your hand press. I used to put all my snaps in with a hammer. This is a great upgrade for us. If I need to attach hardware to any garment, I need to know where I'm placing it. So if you didn't mark where you're going to place it, you need to do that before you do the grommet. I have my pattern here that I use in class. You can see I've punched out a little hole there to tell me exactly where the rivet's going to go in this hoodie hood. Not rivet, grommet. So there is my marking for one. I'm just using a regular piece of school chalk. I'll flip it over and I'll flip the pattern over to mark the other side. And there we go. Now I know where I'm going. Now that I've marked where my grommet is going to go, I need to make a small hole right in that spot. And I'm going to make that hole smaller than the grommet because this is a knit fabric. This is for a hoodie. And you can see it's very easy to stretch that hole larger. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. I have here a couple bits of stabilizing fabric. This is just a cotton woven, so it doesn't stretch. We're going to include this in the grommet so that the fabric of the hood doesn't stretch out and then the grommet would fall out. So I need to put a couple little holes in these two. Now that that's done, I have a hole on each side of my hood where the grommet will go, and I have two bits of stabilizing fabric with a hole also. I can head over to the hand press. To put the grommet in, we need both pieces of it. So the grommet has a top and a bottom. One piece that looks like a little hat, and one piece that looks like a little donut. And these need to get stacked in here with the correct dies in the correct order. So watch carefully. First thing that's going to go on is the hat. Just like that. Next, my hood is going to go on with the good side facing down. Then one square of my stabilizing fabric, and finally the donut goes on with the smooth side up. So not this side where all the edges are curled up, but this side with the edges curled down. That's what you should be looking at. And they all get stacked on that pin on the die. And then I just need a little bit of muscle, and we have this gorgeous result. So that's it. I hope that answers any questions you may have had about how to use this tool and what it can be used for.